Where are you putting it for China's economy in 2022 and looking out into 23?
So for this year, our expectation is that growth will likely be below 3%, and that's mostly because we have the Shanghai lockdown in second quarter, which significantly weighed on growth. And then for next year, I think there is a lot of uncertainty, and the policy will play a very significant role here, depending on whether we will have an exit for the zero COVID policy and whether we will have the property policy being relaxed further in China. If we assume that we have some property easing from the policymakers and that China will gradually exit from the zero COVID policy, then I think we would be able to achieve growth of below somewhere between the 4 to 5% is still reasonable.
Good morning to you, Michelle. Of course, investors are very much eyeing that party reshuffle at the top and, of course, who will walk out on stage tomorrow and, more importantly, in what order. You say that positions filled by technocrats and reformists will offer some comfort to the markets. But what if we see tomorrow some signals that Xi Jinping has chosen people really in positions to prioritise the party over technocratic capabilities? What will that mean for the economy moving forward?
I think investors and the markets will definitely read into a lot about the composition of the Politburo, the Standing Committee members. But I think in my personal view, actually, the presidency is going to have the final say about the top policy making in China, and which means that a lot of policy directions, such as the structural reforms like common prosperity, green transition, and even the zero COVID policy, I think that may remain in place for some time. But of course, I mean, given that the economy is now facing a lot of downward pressure because of the zero COVID policy, then I think as time goes by, then if we get even more downward pressure on unemployment, then the policymakers will have to rethink about whether they should pivot from it to a gradual reopening.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.